Everybody, Cappy here.
Nico here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank. You fucking coward. Oh, I hope you rot in a hole.
No, not that simple. That magnet up there. That's what Clank was talking about.
That's what those bots power.
Alright,
Can
now
I even hop up there?
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess.
you need a spring bot.
Okay. I'm guessing there's, a malleable bot on the other side. Frogert skills, come to me.
Nice.
Many years of gaming taught me several things. 1, trust your instincts. 2, keep frickin' jumping. Alright, now...
Yeah, I'll be right back.
How?
I must have so many unread emails right now.
You hold triangle.
How? Okay, spring bot. It's a pretty simple puzzle.
What are you doing? Are you using that magnet? Everything in here is the property of Drek Industries. What you're doing is, well, rude. You see us coming over to your lair and taking over your magnet?
Okay. Last bot's all the way across
Getting too close.
the way.
Computer, dial Chairman Drek.
Dialing Chairman Drek.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drek. I'm away from my phone right now, probably in a meeting or something. Perhaps securing the future for our race. Anywho, leave a
Destroy
message
those
and
boxes.
unless
There's
it's
a
bad
gold
news.
bolt back there.
The next
Raritanium,
person to
3 of
bad
it.
news, go straight to the
Oh,
lava
this is
pit.
good. Anything else in here? Nope.
Hey, Chairman Drek. It said, calling for, no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not cowering inside a shipping crate or anything. In fact, I was just calling to assure you that there is nothing to worry about. Security is, secure. So, bye.
Oh, crap. Forgot about that one space. My skills are failing me.
Oh my gosh, will it just stop fizzing?
Was that frozen?
This is what I get for
Okay.
leaving a drink in the freezer too long.
Yeah, you froze it.
I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the end of it.
Alright, last power bot to power the magnet. I just gotta be a lot quicker with these skills. I'm gonna pick his ass up, aren't I?
Probably.
Okie dokie. Yep.
Now just hit square to initiate.
Hey, let me down!
See?
Uh,
What, so you can put more obstacles in our path?
You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command. You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Okay. So now I think it's Ratchet's turn.
You did
Yep.
well, Clank.
Finally back to Ratchet.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
Right,
ready.
let's head inside and find Drek.
Zurkon versus Zurkon.
I hope you enjoy your tour of my factory.
That wasn't that big of a
I've even
threat.
arranged a demonstration of the good doctor's latest model.
That was an easy challenge.
Yep.
Although I'm pretty sure there's more of them.
Wish to take a nap too, Lombax?
It looks like the main office is up there.
Oh my. This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
We have to find Drek before we teleport out of here.
Moving on. Do I get a new weapon? New weapon time?
We already got the buzz thing.
I'll wait to upgrade. I'll let you do the whole hurricane stuff. How long is that in the freezer?
Probably like an hour. I thought opening it really quick would get rid of the fizz really quick.
No,
It did not.
It just means it would
Behind
skyrocket.
that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover
Is
you.
there like a little rag in the hamper right to your left? Should be like gray. Okay, good. Thank you.
I literally got hit by every laser.
Think you can flank that turret?
It's our job. He's down.
You're about to
Oh
die.
yeah. Shit.
Find some cover.
Wait, is that a phone call?
Yeah. I'll get back to that in a minute. Ammo. Give me Zurkon. This ends here. Oh, let's see how the Gravitron affects the Zurkons. That's perfect.
There's a fueling station behind that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover you.
So close.
Think you can flank that turret?
Yeah. Free ammunition.
Nice work. Let's move.
Take the little hollow card.
That's Rhino.
How do you know it's a Rhino card?
Because of the way it looked.
Rhino Mark 5.
Yes. Alright, hit confirm.
What does that say? Oh, it's just a Rhino card acquired.
Yeah. And here are one. Let's see how many we got left. 2. We just
Two
got
left.
2 left.
Wow. 2 more and then we get the big beauty itself.
I looked up a little guide.
Okay.
One is gonna be in the
Watch yourself over
deplanetizer.
Okay. What's the deplanetizer?
I think you know. Drek's ultimate weapon.
Okay. I totally forgot about that. I thought it would damage boost me, I guess not.
We've got Zurkons.
And I've got Zurkons. Zurkon? Who's the best?
Enemy down.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Not quite what we were looking for, but oh well.
Did you enjoy my Zurkons? Don't worry, there are plenty more surprises ahead. Get ready.
Okay. I'm on the Warbot line.
Yep. This is where Clank was made. Whoa.
Mr. Zurkon is over.
Here we go.
Alright, I'm just gonna go over there. Yes, jetpack time.
Yes.
Heart's beating.
What shot me? Something hit my Zurkon.
Mr. Zurkon? These are the moments Mr. Zurkon lives for. Free, eternal prince Mr. Zurkon is here to release them.
Oh dear, more of them.
Zurkon, save me. Oh boy, wipe them the hell off his earth.
Warbots!
Oh boy.
Oh, that was easy. That sounded like that hurt.
Oh yeah.
All clear over here. Let's move.
Alright, you gotta get there and refill your jetpack.
Oh yeah. Got 10 raritanium right now, that's cool.
Wow. Definitely gonna use it for
You made
this
it. Now
buzz,
use the
whatever it's
trespasser
called.
to access the
Yeah.
refueling station.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there we
Well,
go.
that works.
Deactivated.
Alright.
A bunch of Zurkons.
Yeah.
Okay, I refilled my jetpack.
Okay.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
Fair enough.
As you can see, we're at peak Warbot supply. It's the perfect time to break into new markets around
Something
the
where
galaxy.
you gotta use your jetpack.
Okay.
Mr. Zurkon
The
is
only
over.
direction I know you need to go to is up.
Let's just, I have a feeling there's gonna be a boss fight here.
You have to take out 3 warbots.
That shouldn't be too difficult.
Mr.
This way.
Symphony of
Yep,
Pain.
there they are. Probably want to use the Peacemaker. Does the best damage against them. Oh yeah,
One shot?
because
Drag in his stupid force field.
one of the mystery upgrades for it was where when you shoot one, many others shoot out of it.
Get in
Yeah,
there and
that's
shut
cool.
down that force field.
More warbots coming our way.
Right.
Let's take out these warbots.
Just barely
then
out of range.
deactivate those
Yeah.
lasers.
That's easy.
Yep.
More of them by the security room.
Really? I wiped out most of you, now you're going, more of them!
And Mr. Zurkons.
Captain, are you there? Ratchet and I are under fire.
Oh, that took care of them.
Oh,
We need
that works.
assistance.
Except
Over.
for a few Mr. Zurkons and a warlock.
Understand, Ranger? I'm sort of tied up over here myself.
Alright.
Yep, lot of enemies. Too many, really. Get out of here, enemies.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, I'm under a
Heal
lot of
me.
heavy fire, so unfortunately I won't be able to assist. So, good luck.
Wow.
There we go.
We could use a hand.
You can all relax now. I'm finally here.
I don't think that was in the movie. Oh, we got
No,
a
it's
boss
not.
fight.
But
Goodbye, stupid ranger.
Oh boy.
is that a Mama
You want to
Zurkon?
take this one?
I guess so. I'm gonna need some backup.
Use the Peacemaker, definitely.
It's time to meet the valley.
Yep, that's a Mama Zurkon.
Let's see if this will work.
Yeah, it should. Oh
Oh
wow.
yeah. Peacemaker time, baby.
Fire!
Yeah, that does a lot of damage.
You can't let that slime ball get away.
So close. Wipe her out. Wipe her out.
Ammo.
No!
Slow down time with the Plasma Slayer.
I don't know if that'll do enough damage though.
She's got 6% damage left. It would do the job. Especially if you shoot her weak points. Highlighted in red.
Dang it!
Yep, she is down, and all her Zurkon's whipping.
Thank you! That looked very difficult.
Yeah, the bigger they are.
Just in
The
time.
harder they fall.
I'm gonna go investigate that office. Meet me there.
Alright, I think we're gonna go in.
Ratchet, I dispatched your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Karwan.
Okay. Hit this button, see what it does.
Oh, Golden Bolt. Yes.
Yes, pick that golden bolt up, and I think we'll leave this in here after that. So thank you everybody for watching. If you like this episode, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to, subscribe. And if you really want to get in touch with us and see better content, check out Miko's channel or Facebook in the description below. And as always, we'll see you in the next episode.
See ya.